Good morning, YouTube. Dave here. Coming back with the, first of all, I need to cut off this music because it's copyright. Inside the sauna here in the Gold Gym in Austin, Texas. Relaxing after doing a little bit of cardio. And tell you the truth, I'm not even sure if I'm even facing the camera. This other camera is a Fusion, which is a 360. I can only record up to 60 seconds, I believe. 90 seconds. Anyways, I'm gonna see if it's really true because it's 60, 70. I'm gonna leave it at